स्ट्रेसफुल। अब हमारे पास इतना सारा फ्री टाइम है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्कूल, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉलेजेस, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू आवर वर्क, वी आर वर्किंग एट होम, एंड इतना सारा जो फ्री टाइम है, हाउ डू वी यूटिलाइज इट? हम क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनके एग्जाम्स कैंसिल हो गए हैं, इतना सारा फ्री टाइम है, इसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करें? हम क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अभी अभी 11th में आए हैं बट इतना बर्डन नहीं है, तो इतना जो फ्री टाइम है उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करें? हम नॉर्मल वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स हैं बट वी हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम, हाउ डू वी यूज इट वाइजली? So here I am telling you, not one, not two, not five, not 10, 25 activities that students or in general people can do in their free time, and these activities, mark my word, will add to your personal development as well as your resume. So let's get started. So the first activity in this list is internships. Yes, you heard it right. अब आपके मन में बहुत सारे questions होंगे कि कैसे internships हमारी help कर सकती हैं, मतलब कुछ क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कुछ क्लास 9th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्लास 12th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इतने छोटे बच्चे कैसे इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं? एंड इंटर्नशिप के लिए तो घर से बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. यू आर राइट, इंटर्नशिप रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, बट नाउअडेज थिंग्स आर चेंज्ड एंड इंटर्नशिप्स आर हायरिंग स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम grade 10th, 11th, 12th, college students, everyone. Internships are a very good opportunity. तो आपके personality develop हो सकती है. You get to work with working professionals. You get more experience. You know how things work around us, and you get more knowledge in your field of study. So some platforms that I suggest for looking up internships, especially for students, is Internshala. So you can, as well as LinkedIn. So Internshala pe you can make your profile, and this is not sponsored by the video, so disclaimer. You can make your profile there and you can upload your CV, and internships will approach you on their own. Number two is MUN conferences. Now what is this MUN and why is it important? Model United Nations conferences are conferences held yearly by different organizations where we replicate all the proceedings that happened in United Nations. अब ये MUN conferences कैसे हमारी हेल्प कर सकती है, बताओ मुझे. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इंटर्नशिप्स और MUN कॉन्फ्रेंसेस दोनों काफ़ी अलग चीज़ें हैं. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि ये MUN कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हमारी कैसे हेल्प करेंगी. सबसे पहले तो MUN कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हेल्प यू टू embrace your and enhance your public speaking skills. You can speak more fluently, you can speak in English, you can talk about world affairs. They help you increase your general knowledge, they help you increase your knowledge about the world, and at the end of the day, those who all want to make a difference in the world can very well participate. Now, MUN conferences के लिए there are several websites like bestdelegate.com or MUN Finder, where you can go and you can search for these conferences. Now, number 3, enhance your hobbies. Now, इतना सारा जो फ्री टाइम है हमें जो मिल रहा है पैंडमिक में, हम क्यों ना अपनी हॉबीज को एनहांस करें. Some people sing very well, some people dance very well, some people are artists, some people love to cook. Why not use this free time to embrace our skills? Join some class, join some clubs, join a singing club, join a tech club, join classes. Open up and take this time to enhance your hobbies, because these hobbies will not only give you an extra edge when you apply to any college or any firm, but also will help you in your personal overall development. Develop a fundraiser or do charity. Now, COVID-19 pandemic has taught us the value of kindness, the value of compassion, and the value of helping people. So क्यों ना हम अपना free time, जितने भी हमारे पास resources है, हम fundraisers organize करें. We can organize fundraisers where we can collaborate with a lot of people. We can collect donations and we can give them to NGOs, to organizations which actually help people on the grassroots level. So fundraisers organize कर सकते हैं. Students can collaborate and they can help out. So children can go and organize fundraisers. They can collect a lot of resources together. And अगर आपके पास resources नहीं भी हैं, तो you can donate very nominal amounts, or even if you don't donate, you can spread awareness of fundraisers which can help others to donate. So number 5, study for entrance exams. So students who wish to apply for colleges like colleges abroad, they can study for their SAT exams, they can study for their TOEFL exams. In prior, they can prepare plans, they can make schemes, they can start practicing their essays before. Students who are just passed out of grade 12, they can start studying for their college entrance exams. तो ये फ्री टाइम को आप अपनी पढ़ाई में भी यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. एंड इट इज़ नेवर अ लॉस टू स्टडी बिकॉज नॉलेज नेवर गोज वेस्ट, राइट. नंबर 6, गेट टू नो योरसेल्फ. अब आपको क्वेश्चन होगा कि अभीशा हम तो अपने आप को जानते हैं, वाई आर यू सेइंग दैट गेट टू नो योरसेल्फ. इतना सारा टाइम जो मेरे पास फ्री है उसमें हम अपने आप को क्यों जाने, हम ऑलरेडी अपने आप को जानते हैं. आई एग्री यू नो योरसेल्फ, बट डू यू रियली नो योरसेल्फ? Do you really know what things are you truly passionate about? Do you really know why were you born on this earth? Think about these things. Do you really know how your emotions work? Do you really know about your feelings? Are you 100% sure, or do you have 100% knowledge about what do you want in life, or what do you aspire the most? Think about it. Learn gratitude. Practice it every day. Try to love yourself, learn self-love techniques, practice yoga, meditate every day, exercise, work on yourself because you deserve it. And this time is very, very, very beneficial if you use it wisely. Now, number 7, work on your soft skills. Okay, now what are soft skills? Basically, whenever we apply to any job or organization, और अगर organization में apply नहीं भी करना है तो भी in general, we always have 2 types of skills. One is hard skills and another is soft skills. So, what are hard skills and soft skills? Hard skills are basically our degrees, what all qualifications do we have, and soft skills are basically things that make us apart, make us unique as a person or as a candidate to any job application. Now, soft skills are some examples of soft skills are MS Excel, MS Word, communication skills, public speaking skills, etc. So you can join courses, you can join workshops, Coursera, TEDx, you can watch TED Talks. These organizations or these apps are very useful for the same. Number 8, read books. Now, अब आपके मन में क्वेश्चन होगा कि यार अभी हमने अपने एग्जाम्स दिया है, या अभी हमने पूरा 1 साल पढ़ाई करके निकाल लिया, या हम अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए भी तो पढ़ ही रहे हैं, तो why should we read books? या why should we spend our time reading books and all? Now, books can be fun too. Books ज़रूरी नहीं है कि educational books हो. Books can be related to stories, fan fictions. Books can be related to what all things you deeply desire about. If you love fitness, if you're passionate about how to reduce global warming, you can read related books to that. If you're passionate about politics, you can read the books related to the history of different political leaders around the world. So there is no boundaries of what books you can read. Also, if you want, I can make a separate video of 10 books that I love completely. So let me know in the comment section down. Now, number 9, join a club or a group. Now, joining clubs like Toastmaster is a great club to join. Joining clubs help you enhancing your speaking skills, help you meet different people, become a more inclusive and well-rounded human being. And joining clubs can help you collaborate with people who are having similar interest to you. For example, अगर किसी को singing में बहुत interest है, they can join singing clubs. If you are interested in technology or artificial intelligence, there are a lot of tech clubs, technology clubs. If you are passionate about dancing, there are a lot of dancing clubs. So just find your best suited club, right? Number 10 is watch movies and documentaries. Now, इतना सारा जो free time मिला है, इसमें you can watch movies that inspire you. There are so many movies on the internet. There are so many movies available on the OTT platforms which can inspire you and which can motivate you to do your best. और अगर motivate नहीं भी होना है तो entertainment is always a good source, right? So you can watch documentaries on your different leaders, your mentors like Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, any documentary you like, documentary on the Holocaust, anything, whatever interests you. So documentaries can also be helpful. Now, number 11, competitions. So you can use this free time in participating in a lot of competitions. Competitions सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं होते कि you just have to get prizes. Competitions is so that you get well versed with how the world works around you, because the world is a competitive place and we cannot deny this truth, right? Also, competitions help you meet different people, help you enhance your skills, help you gain confidence, and above all, they help you become a better and better person and a student in your field. Number 12, learn new languages. Now, it is said that with every new language you speak, your personality and your voice and your whole aura changes. So, well, I don't know if that fact is true or not, but what I know is that learning new languages makes you more inclusive, makes you a better person, and makes you a more charismatic person in totality. You can learn English, you can learn French, you can learn German, any language you want, there is no boundaries. There are several apps for the same. Again, they are not sponsored, but some apps that I would prefer is Cambly, Duolingo, and there is an app called Memrise. So you can just check them out. I will put their link in my description. Now, number 13. Enhance your writing skills. Even if you're not a student of literature, or even if you are not a student of languages, why is it important to enhance your writing skills? Writing is something that is inevitable in any field. किसी भी फील्ड में देख लो, लिखने का काम कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, MS वर्ड, ये सब चीज़ें कभी इरेडिकेट नहीं होने वाली है. And it is very very important that you know how to express yourself, how to express the ideas, how to collate them, how to use them and form them in such a way that it is more simple and easy to understand for others. So writing skills को enhance करने के लिए you can do several things, like you can practice every day, you can read books, read articles, you can join workshops and courses as well. Now number 14. Now you can join a lot of online courses that are freely available out there on different platforms. Some online courses can be Udemy, some online courses can be at Coursera, edX, TEDx, etc. These online courses not only give you plenty of knowledge in your free time, but also give you an extra edge above others. So you can join an online course on anything you like. Online course on gardening, online course on journalism, online course on psychology, online course on anything and everything you like. Now, number 15. Number 15 is enhance your public speaking skills. Now, even if you are an introvert or even if you don't like speaking, you know the hard truth of life. We'll have to open out, we'll have to talk to people, because that is how the world works, right? Also, public speaking is very helpful in any platform, whether you are an engineer, whether you are planning to become a doctor, whether you are planning to become an entrepreneur. You will always have to express yourself, you will always have to tell the other person कि क्या क्या ideas आपके पास है, क्या क्या आपके पास solutions या कुछ भी अपनी बात रखने के लिए you need public speaking skills. So different ways to enhance public skills is again joining groups, talking to yourself in the mirror, talk to yourself, record your own videos and talk to yourself in the camera. Talk to your friends, talk to your people, use better vocabulary, use English if English is the language you are aiming to learn. Talk to people, join groups, join workshops, and you can use different ways, right? Now, number 16, write a book. अब आपके मन में क्वेश्चन होगा कि यार अभिषा, we are just students, we cannot write a book, we need expertise for this, we need knowledge, we need at least a degree. I mean, I'm sorry to debunk your stereotypes and your myths, but I feel that anybody can write a book and anybody can become an author. And why is it important to become an author? Again, it's all subjective. Writing a book is an entire process. So if you have some ideas, if you have stories, you can write fan fictions, you can write short stories, you can write descriptive books, you can write educational books. There is no boundary. And writing books gives you an extra advantage ahead of others. Also, there is author in the word authority. So writing books also give you authority. Also, writing a book has no parts. There are books available, best-selling books available in the market of people of the age 9. And there are best-selling books available of people of the age 90. So age is no bar. Okay, number 17. Develop a research paper or build a project. Now, mostly I have heard college students or PhD students say कि research paper का बहुत काम है, we have to write a thesis, we have to prove the hypothesis, we have to develop a project. But something that not everyone tells you, everybody and anybody, at least till the level of high school, can develop a research paper. So find out topics you're passionate about. If you want to research about the impact of COVID-19 on mental health, you develop a research paper on that. If you want to research about the different prospects available in technology, research about that. If you want to make a project, work on your project, whatever project you want. If you want to recycle, if you want to develop new ways of recycling, if you want to develop new ways of teaching in this pandemic, develop your project, work on it. Slowly and steadily you will get there. Number 18, invest in capital. Now here I will be talking about two types of capitals. One is physical capital and the other is human capital. By physical capital, what do I mean is that invest in stocks, invest in shares, what all resources you have, work on them, research what all stocks are coming to the market, study the patterns and the trends and invest. There is no harm in investing a small amount of money if you are doubting yourself कि हमें तो नहीं पता इतनी सारी knowledge about stocks या about shares. So you can invest a small amount of money. Also, invest in human capital, invest in your education, invest in enhancing your own skills. That will always give you an edge above everyone and also make you a more well-grounded human being. Now, number 19. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Nature is something that has been provided to us. It's a gift of God. It's the gift of the universe and we often take it for granted. Nature, enjoy karo. Spend time with birds. Open up your windows, open up your balconies. If you cannot go outside, it is completely fine. Go to your garden. If you have plants, talk to them. Water your plants. Spend time with nature because nature requires you as much as you require it. And it's always a very pleasant experience to go take a walk outside or have a breath of fresh air. Like now, number 20. Number 20 is find a mentor. Now, what is a mentor? A mentor is someone who fulfills two conditions. Number one, the person has reached a platform you are aiming to reach. So first of all, find your passion and then look up people around you, look up people on the internet. Now the world has no boundaries, so look up people on the internet, research about people who have already done, who have already achieved things that you want to achieve or who have achieved things in a similar field, and watch their videos, research about them, watch their life story if any documentary is made on them, and learn from them because a mentor is always a guiding light to you. Also, the second condition is that a mentor should be a very positive and a very encouraging person. So that person should be motivating to you. You should not feel inferiority complex from that person. You should feel motivated and you should feel that this person will help me achieve my goals. Even if your mentor is far away from you, go research about them, watch the documentaries, perhaps you may contact them, or even if you don't contact them, even if your mentor is not alive today, I am sure the universe will find a way for you and your mentor to connect and for you to learn from your mentor. Also, write down in the comment section down below who is your mentor, and if you're wondering who is my mentor, just write it down in the comment section below. I'll let you know. And now we have come to number 21, and if you're still here, I'm so grateful to you. Number 21 is improve your vocabulary. Now, learning every language involves grammar and vocabulary and literature. And vocabulary is very important so that you can communicate what all you want to speak. अगर हमें पता ही नहीं होगा कि क्या क्या words या phrases हमें use करने हैं, it will be very difficult to communicate. So improve your vocabulary. There are so many sites. You can go and download the Oxford Dictionary app. You can just switch on the notifications and you'll reach a new word every day. You can go and download different apps. There are some websites as well who can help you enhance your vocabulary. If vocabulary in English is your aim, I will pin them down below. Now, number 23. Now, did you know that 40 to 90% of our behavior, our everyday behavior is habit driven? Think about it. In the morning, you brush your teeth, go take a bath, have food, do your daily chores, and 40 to 95% of your work is habit driven. Now, you have two options. Either you can change your habits or your habits will change your future. The choice is up to you. Develop better habits like practice gratitude, develop habit of exercising daily, develop habit of writing a piece of paper if you want to enhance your writing skills. Write a page every day, write an article every day. Develop better habits, develop a habit of cycling, develop a habit of going to gym. If gym is not possible in the pandemic, develop a habit of practicing anything you like every day. But be consistent in the habit you develop. Now we come to number 24. Find about your family history. अब हमारे पास अगर फ्री टाइम है तो we should talk to our parents, we should talk to our elders, talk to your grandparents if they are here living with you, or talk to them on phone. Learn about your family history, learn what your ancestors were, because we are a product of this family history, we are a product of this ancestors, and we can learn a lot from our ancestors. We never know you, we find out something different, something unique about them. Okay, now we come to the last point, number 25. Number 25 is reconnect with family and friends. This pandemic has taught us that life is very temporary, life का कोई भरोसा नहीं. Talk to your friends, talk to your family, reconnect with them, chat with them, maybe schedule a Zoom call with them, establish some reunions with your old friends, because we never know what happens next. And it's always a cheerful experience to talk to our friends and our family. So now we come to the end of this video, but before that there's a little surprise for you. So there are 2 bonus tips that you can follow to help you do all these activities in a better and a more fruitful way. Now the first tip I have for you is be consistent. Whatever you do, if you want to enhance your vocabulary skills, if you want to enhance your writing skills, if you want to develop a new hobby, if you want to join internships, be consistent. Practice every day. रोज practice करोगे, then only you will be able to take out the best out of it. Now tip number 2, reward yourself. हमें ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि the success of life is hidden inside hard work? अगर हम struggle नहीं करेंगे, hard work नहीं करेंगे, if we'll not push ourselves, if we'll not be stressed 24 hours, then we cannot be successful. I think that if you enjoy what you do, if you start loving your job, what you do, if you start rewarding yourself for little efforts you do, if you gain good marks, go have an ice cream, go reward yourself, gift yourself something. If you got a salary today, gift yourself something. If you developed a new habit today, go reward yourself. It is very important to reinforce yourself, because reinforcement encourages us to do it again and again and become a better and a more well-grounded person. So thank you for watching. This is Abhisha Gulati signing.